Welcome to St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Class 6th, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 3 Playing with Numbers, Part 1.
Hello students. So today we are going to start our third chapter, which is playing with numbers. In the last chapter we have discussed about natural number, whole numbers and properties of whole numbers and different patterns to arrange the numbers. Now in this chapter we are going to see what are factors and multiples, prime number, composite numbers and HCF, LCM, etc. So before starting the chapter, let us recall the last topic of the chapter, whole number, of the whole number chapter, which was pattern. What we have done in pattern, we have arranged the numbers in the elementary shapes with the use of dots, with the use of dots. So now we are going to solve this question with that pattern arrangement only. So let us see what is the question and try to solve the question. Question is, Ramesh has 6 marbles with him. He wants to arrange them in rows. How many marbles does Ramesh has? Ramesh has 6 marbles with him. And what he want to do? He want to arrange them in rows. He want to arrange them in rows. What are rows? These are rows. In this way, if we will arrange them, these are known as rows. And what are columns? These are known as columns. These are columns. So what he wants to do, he wants to arrange the marbles in rows pattern. Now, such a way that each row has the same number of marbles. He wants to arrange the marbles in such a way that each row has same number of marbles. Now let us see how he can arrange them. Let us see the first way in which he can arrange the marbles. This is the first method or first way to arrange the marbles. One marble in each row. In each row he is going to arrange one marble. Then number of rows and how many rows he have to arrange. If he is keeping one marble in one row, then how many rows he need? He needs 6 rows because there are total number of 6 marbles. So number of rows will be 6 rows and total number of marbles is equals to one marble in each row, one marble in each row, and how many rows? 6 rows. So 1 into 6 is equals to 6. Now let us see the pattern, the way and the method he has taken. He has arranged, suppose first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, and sixth row. These are the 6 rows. So in first row he will arrange one marble. In second row he will arrange the second marble. In third row he will arrange the third marble. In fourth row he will arrange the fourth marble. In fifth row he will arrange the fifth marble. And in sixth row he will arrange the sixth marble. So how many marbles are there? Total 6 marbles are there. How many rows are there? Total 6 rows are there. So 1 into 6 is equals to 6. This is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row and sixth row. Now let us see the second method. Now the second method that he has used to arrange the marble is 2 marbles in each row. In each row he is using 2 marbles. He is keeping 2 marbles. And how many rows are there? Total 3 rows are there. So total number of marbles is equals to 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 2 marbles in each row and how many rows are there? 3 rows are there. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Now let us see rows. This is the rows pattern. How many rows are there? 3 rows are there. So 1, 2 and 3. One row, 2 row and 3 row. Then how many marbles in each row? 2 marbles in each row. So this is the first row, one marble and 2 marble. This is the second row, 1 marble and 2 marble. This is the third row, 1 marble and 2 marble. So how many rows are there? 3 rows. 1 row, 2 row, 3 and the third. First row, second row and the third row. And how many marbles in each row? In first row, 2 marbles. In second row, 2 marbles. In third row, 2 marbles. So total 6 marbles are there. Now let us see the third pattern. Now the third arrangement is 3 marbles in each row. He is using 3 marbles in each row. Number of rows is equals to 2. How many rows are there? 2 rows are there. Total number of marbles is equals to 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So in each row he is using 3 marbles, and how many rows are there? 2 rows are there. Let us see. These are rows. In first row he is using 3 marbles. First marble, second marble and third marble. How many rows are there? 2 rows are there. This is the first row, this is the second row. Second row also he is using 3 marbles. So total how many marbles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 marbles are there. So the arrangement is 3 into 2. 3 is the number of marbles and 2 is the number of rows. So how many marbles are there? Total 6 marbles. Now let us see the fourth arrangement. In fourth arrangement, suppose he is taking 4 marbles in each row. Suppose he is taking 4 marbles in each row. Suppose he is taking 4 marbles in one row and 2 rows are there. 4 marbles in one row and 2 rows are there. So in one row he is taking 4 marbles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in second row also he has to take 4 marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many total marbles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the number of marbles is exceeding. Our number of marbles is 6. Our total marbles are 6 marbles. Here it is 8 marbles. So this arrangement is not possible. Now let us, in the same way, if he will take 5 marbles in each row, then also it is not possible. So now he will take 6 marbles in each row. Each means only one row he has to take now, because total marbles are 6 marbles. So 6 marbles in each row in one row. Only one row he has to take. Number of rows is 1. And here what he will do? He will write 6 into 1 is equals to 6. So how many marbles in one row? 6 marble in one row. And number of rows is 1 row. And total number of marbles is equals to 6 into 1, which is equals to 6. Now let us see how he will arrange. Only one row is there. So we have to arrange the marbles in line. 1 marble, 2 marble, 3 marble, 4 marble and 5 marble, 6 marble. Total how many marbles are there? 6 marbles are there. How many rows are there? 1 row is there. So we have seen four types of method in which he can arrange the marbles. Now, so what we have seen here, we have seen that what are the different methods we have used. First is 6 is equals to 1 into 6. 1 marble in each row and total 6 rows. 6 is equals to 2 into 3. 2 marbles in each row and 3 rows. 6 is equals to 3 into 2. 3 marbles in each row and 2 rows. And 6 is equals to 6 into 1. 6 marble in each row and 1 row. These are the methods. Now what we can see here, when we are multiplying two numbers, then we are getting 6 as the answer. What are those numbers? Those numbers are 1 and 6. When we are multiplying 1 and 6, what we are getting? We are getting 6. When we are multiplying 2 and 3, what we are getting? 6. When we multiply 3 and 2, what we are getting? 6. And we are multiplying 6 into 1, what we are getting? 6. This means that 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2 and 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. What are these? These are the factors of 6. Factors of 6 means what? Factors of 6 means the number which are the divisor for 6. Means the number which divide 6. Here 1 divides 6, here 2 divides 6, here 3 divides 6 and here 6 divides 6. So these are the divisors. These are the divisors of 6. These are the divisors of 6. In one stable 6 comes, in 2 stable 6 comes, in 3 stable 6 comes and in 6 stable 6 comes. So these are the divisors of 6 and we call them factors. So all of you understood what are factors? Factors are the exact divisors of that number. Now try to solve the same question here, but you have to take, in place of 6 marbles, you have to use 18 marbles. Ramesh has 18 marbles with him. He wants to arrange them in rows in such a way that each row has the same number of marbles. Try to solve that question and you will get the exact divisors of 18. Now in our next video we will see the first topic of the chapter, which is factors and multiples. Till now we have seen what are factors. Now we will see what are multiples and try to solve the questions in exercise 3.1.